Hello everyone, we're here at the Alton Towers Resort and we're here for Scarefest. And we're here to get really spooky, so we've got 4 mazes to do today. It's going to be really exciting. I'm so happy to be here. It seems to have taken ages to get here. And finally it's here and we're at Scarefest at Alton Towers. It's been a few months since we've actually been here, so it's absolutely brilliant. The weather seems quite nice today, so hopefully it'll hold out for us today and we'll have a good day. So stick around and see what happens.
Well, there is somebody in there.
Okay, we've just been down to the world of David Williams since X Sector, all the rides are currently out of action, so we've just been down to the world of David Williams where we've been on Gangster Granny. So next we're going to be heading down to the Dark Forest and seeing what awaits us there at Rita and 13. Just come off the Runaway Mine Train there, the Mac-powered coaster, a really great family coaster. That was a 35-minute wait, enjoyable ride, and heading down to Nemesis and the Forbidden Valley now. And let's see what rides there are down here. As we enter the Forbidden Valley, one of the best themed areas for roller coasters. Even now, after all these years, since 1994, still absolutely incredible. Nemesis is still one of the best roller coasters around. In my opinion, it's the second best
we thank you for your cooperation and have a great day
in the world. Nemesis there, still one of the greatest roller coasters around, one of my favourite inverts. The theme is just absolutely fantastic. I think this was built in 1994, still just as good today. Oh, there it goes again, as it was when it was first built. It'd be nice to be able to have the Tom Baker storyline introduced back into the queue and get the Red Rivers, but it's still an absolutely fantastic ride. And it's got queues for about 60 minutes today, so let's go and see. Right, the time has come for us to do the scare mazes, 4 mazes on my own, so we'll see what the reaction's going to be in around about 10 minutes time. I'm just about to go into the attic, so I'll let you know when I come out. So I've just entered the queue line for the attic now, so we're going to go through. It's approximately a 10-minute walk-through attraction, I believe, so we'll see what it's like when I come through. I asked for special permission to be able to film inside, but obviously the answer was resounding no, so I won't be filming in there. But what I'll do is I'll film as much as I can to the point where I have to put down the camera, and then I'll be on my own. Seeing this queue line actually reminds me of a few years ago when they had a maze in here, which was the Sanctuary. Which was an absolutely brilliant maze, linked in with the Smiler, if you remember that, where you'd see Dr. Kelman before you go in and get your treatment and then walk through the actual attraction. Absolutely brilliant. It's one of the best walk-through scare mazes I've ever seen. Hello. So that is the attic I've just done there. That's quite intense. The theming's absolutely brilliant. The storyline's fantastic as always. The only thing is, it felt like there's quite a lot of dead spots in there. There's quite a few places where there seemed like there should be actors, but there wasn't actually anybody in there. So missing a few thrills where there could have been a few more. But towards the end, there was a lot more actors with the devil, and the heat was absolutely intense when it got to the end. So yeah, let's go to Darkest Depths. So I've now just entered the queue line for Darkest Depths, so we'll see what this one's like. I'm expecting lots of smell pods, lots of actors, and lots of sunken pirate theming. So that is Darkest Depths we've just done there. Walk straight onto it. Seems a bit short of actors. There's only about 2 or 3 jumps in the thing. Set's absolutely fantastic, story's really good, and the smell pods are absolutely incredible. You really get the impression that you are under the sea, and there's a kraken going to come and get you. So next up then, Alton Mine Tours. So I'm just about to go on the Freak Show Toxic Junkyard. I'm just about to enter the queue line for that, so we'll see what it's like. It is still daylight, so I might not get the full experience, but we'll see once I get inside and stand by for my erection. So I just stepped into Barbed Wire's reclaim yard there with the Toxic Freak Show, the Freak Show Toxic Junkyard even, and loads of actors crammed into there, but it's definitely one to do at night time, because during the day you can see everybody coming an absolute mile off. But some good scares in there, decent storyline. It's the same one that we do for a number of years now, but definitely a good ending with all the chainsaws. So just 3 down, 1 to go, and off to Alton Mine Tours. So I'm now in the queue line for the Altonville Mines tour. So see what this is like. I'll keep it on until I get to the point where I have to turn it off, and I'll give my full reaction when we come off. It's meant to be the most intense one, so I'll save this one to last. So I'll see you when I get off. So that is the fourth and final maze just done now. So that was the Altonville Mine Tours. That was the most intense one. There was smoke absolutely everywhere, cram-packed with actors. As usual, the theming and the storyline and the acting in there is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, absolutely great. I'm glad I left that one to last, but it was absolutely fantastic. So that's all 4 mazes done. Got the really cute plushies. These are £16, but discount probably like £12, isn't it? I really like
Alright, okay.
patch.
Oh, how do we get her off?
These embossed mugs are really cool.
Oh,
Yeah, I like Paradise mugs.
Yeah, okay then. I'll keep going.
Okay, new for this year is Trick or Treat Town, the family scare attraction to walk around.
I got my bag.
He's got his bag. We're all excited. We're going to go in. This is brand new, so we'll speak to you as soon as we come off. We're all excited. Whoa.
A few helpful tips and tricks. Tricks! It's important I tell you that every day here is Halloween, and today is Trick or Treating Day! So, if you see any dolls, then you should knock on, and if you have a trick or treating bag, you could be given a scrumptious treat! And that's everything! Oh wait, no it's not! Some of the doors hold surprises and sneaky little tricks, so be prepared! And if you knock on a door and it doesn't open, then you should just move on along to the next! Don't forget to give us a 5-star review on TrickAdvisor. Trick! And we hope you enjoy your visit to Trick or Treat Town!
Okay, we've just come off Trick or Treat Town there, and we've had a really good run through there. So, Casper, do you want to show what you've got in your bag?
Sweets.
How many sweets have you got in? You got quite a good haul there. Not so many treats. It was a really good addition. Excellent sets, really
Dad.
big sets. Great acting, wasn't it, Casper?
Yes.
And what did you think about it?
Good.
And was it scary?
No.
No? And you got lots of treats, didn't you?
Yes.
So?
Dad, and we got one trick.
It was one trick, wasn't it? And we won't tell everyone what happened because it'll ruin it, won't it?
Yeah.
But was it scary?
No.
No, it was it's really, really good Trick or Treat Town. Recommend it for anybody. Absolutely great addition. And
Bye.
hopefully they'll build on this next year. So,
Bye-bye.
So what do you say?
Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. we just watched the Alton Ancestors there with one of the regular performances. Absolutely brilliant show. Something that you can't really miss when you come in to watch Scarefest. Absolutely brilliant. Just the thing with the trick or treat town, it's absolutely brilliant. Great, absolutely pleased that I did it. But with an extra upcharge of £10, it could be a little bit, seems a bit expensive because the amount of sweets that you get for the £10, it's not the best. But the experience, absolutely fantastic, and I recommend anyone to go and do it. So we're just heading down now towards Wickham and Mutiny Bay. So we'll see what's down there. Okay, we just watched the Alton Ancestors there. I've got even more spooky now because I've got my spider on. We've seen the Alton Ancestors, we've done Trick or Treat Town, and we've done 4 mazes as well. We've had a good day today, it's been incredibly busy, and maybe we'll come back tomorrow to do some more rides.
Casper.
What?
Something creepy in there.
No. Now, I think we lost. Oh, we lost.
Watch out, guys.
Disney.go,